in the game right now. No time to play. MVP, MJ Fresh, and I'm one. Timo Free4, can't take more. Yes now.
Wall out. In the ground, mshana sizodlala ibhola. Ball out. Mangabuye fila the track ithi wona. Wola phakamisa izandla lapho uthi wola. This is why I'm in the stage. I kill them all. Feast full of razors. Yeah, I kill them all. I'm in the mall, bring them all in the mall. I'm in the best place, I should have killed them all. Okay, in the mall, bring them all, kill them all. Run it up the ceiling, if side you feel this. Doing dams on the building, yeah, there's my homies. They got your neck, go take your eyes. Even cat to say you blind. Real cats in the game, yeah, they're so blind. Even though you can't see me, yeah, they're so blind. Running, can't see that I'm coming. Money, pockets full of money. Wall out. Get the ground, mshana sizodlala ibhola. Ball out. Mangabuye fila the track ithi wona. Wola. Phakamisa izandla lapho uthi
mina ngithembisa bomrapper sekuphetha mhlugolova bethetha ngihlehisa intwana ngegama ngiyababa bulala umxhaka kulonyaka ngirili kufana uzogcwala. I'm bringing the fire in this game, I'm burning them like they in depth. I'm fighting so I used to wet. Dissing all those who are wet. Niggas are rapping with women that this hip hop ishima. Moving back njengomqhema nithumelela amaqabana. I'm delivering shit like an solid pop out lehle Westavan. Khanda lami ligcwele amavesi ngidlula leli bhayibheli mini spade saka nokha kulokhu ngibathatha ngelum. Sathomela ngamaklipha ngingenazi ivininzi. Thanda ukushisa labo bastard webaba ubasele umlilo. Ngikubhunyele ngeflow engcolile uphathwe korela ngikufise kuthanda ukwehlela. Wenqome nabo kase nomfantuka ngiphume ekhasima ngivala chitheka igazi ngithanda ukugcwathela abangazi u-MVP khawugcwala ijazi zwana.
Wall out. Get the ground, mshana sizodlala ibhola. Ball out. Mangabuye fila the track ithi wona. Wola. Phakamisa izandla lapho uthi wona.
Awugama le create team 034 owene yakho SABC2 wina stingo. You got a girl who wears a G-string with my logo. No pain no gain, kule game vele yithi koko. Opoda in the near future so bespali dola. Wena phakamisa izandla lapho uthi woda. I'm the word on the street, now you can't stop me. Ngaphandle kaliwe, who else is above me? Now my role models, I'm the one that look up to me. I'm singing and available, who wanna blow shop me. I'll MJ Fresh, Ntwana Sanu Ngabzabuza. Mokhatheli Timothy Potwani Zokubuza.